In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail with a glow light effect in Canva. This tutorial is beginner-friendly, clear, and quick, and by the end you'll have a bright, eye-catching thumbnail ready to upload. First, open Canva. On the home page, click Create a Design, then choose YouTube Thumbnail. Canva will automatically set the size to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the correct format for YouTube. You'll see a blank canvas ready for your design. Next, bring in your subject photo. You can upload your own image or pick one from Canva's Photos library. Choose a high-resolution image with a clear subject. Faces and clear silhouettes work best for glow effects. Click the photo to place it on the canvas, then click Edit Image. If your subject has a busy background, click Background Remover. This will isolate your subject so the glow looks clean and professional. If your photo already has a plain background or you want to keep it as is, you can skip this step. When that's done, click Edit Image again. Scroll down to the shadow section and click Glow. You'll see a soft halo appear around your subject. Click Glow Settings to fine-tune it. Increase the size to extend the halo outward. Raise the blur to soften the edges and create that smooth neon feel. Adjust transparency slightly so the glow supports the subject without overpowering it. For color, choose white for a clean pop, blue or purple for a cool tech vibe, or a neon shade to create a bold, energetic look. Small adjustments go a long way, so tweak until the subject stands out clearly. To intensify the effect, duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+D. Stacking a copy strengthens the glow instantly. Make sure the duplicate is perfectly aligned with the original so the outline stays crisp. Now add your headline. Use bold text with short words only to keep it punchy and readable on small screens. Type your phrase, switch the font to a strong, bold style, and pick a color that contrasts with the background and your glow. Resize and position the text clearly, leaving enough space around the edges and avoiding busy areas so the words are easy to read at a glance. When you're happy with the layout, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for a sharp, clean result. Save the file, and you're ready to upload it to your video. And that's how you make a YouTube thumbnail with a glow light effect in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.